What's up, everybody? My name is Grant and you're watching Grant Model Planes. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Boeing 737 MAX 9, officially, I believe it's licensed because it's made by Boeing. So this plane is a very nice model. It is heavyweight. I was just putting that on the stand. And it is very realistic. Even has wiper blades. That's pretty cool. Comes with this nice wooden stand, and a plaque. You do have to drill the metal hook in. Plane comes in two configurations. Number one is the gear down. Configuration where the gears are down. It even has gear door and I believe like gear holes for those. The official retail price right now off of Amazon.com is $55. I got it for $57 something because of tax and some shipping. But right here is something that I noticed that is really cool. Taking it off. They came so close to the realism that they even added an APU hole. That's pretty cool. This is the MAX 9 version of the Boeing MAX series. They also sell multiple other model planes and t-shirts and hats, and this video is not sponsored by them. So Boeing, if you see this video, maybe we could work out a sponsorship with models. There is the fans inside the engines, both sides. This is the unified version, which means Boeing has not put any liveries on it. So there's the 737, then the MAX 9, that's how you know it's MAX 9. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you what it looks like with no gear because when I was assembling this model, meaning putting the gear, the elevators, the wings, and the gears on, like I said, I decided to concrete glue the gears so it didn't have to like fall off when I was using it for model airport purposes. Which one of those is in the works, but I don't know how soon it's gonna be. This is the 1/200th scale model, and it is plastic, but it is very good plastic. The tires rotate. Fans do not blow, but it's a nice plane overall. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.